What's special today at Lakeland stores? Well, today guys, we're gonna feature you our pancake and crepe maker. Well, it's special because it's an ideal machine for pancake and crepe. It's a two machine in one. This pancake and crepe maker cooks delicious perfect pancakes and crepes every time for all the family and your friends to enjoy. It has a large cooking plate for thin crepes and a molded plate to create 7 mini pancakes. It also has crepe spreader, a plastic spoon, and a wooden spatula. Now we'll see how it works. With the 5 ingredients that you can find into your cupboard, you can make freshly baked crepes and pancakes. See how this spreader glides into your batter? It will help you evenly distribute your mixture to the large plate. And with the use of this wooden spatula, it will easily for you to flip. It has also a temperature control for you to have a very crispier finished. This is our Lakeland pancake and crepe maker, a two machine in one. You can find these items at Lakeland Asima Mall, Lakeland Outlet Mall, and Lakeland 360. Our Lakeland pancake and crepe maker.